Poor Maisie.
Maybe they lost 1 or 2 games out of 20, something like that. And then this would be Baylor going for its 4th straight win against Texas. And I'm not sure, while I've been around the
Get him, Brutus.
that anybody's won 4 straight against Texas.
So we shall see if Baylor can do just that tonight, but they'll have to deal with one of the best players in their conference, and that is Damian James. 28 points, 16 rebounds last night, and the win against the Cyclones of Iowa State. A big-time performance by Damian James. But the two Baylor guards, the Star Watch comes in on Tweety Carter. At least there he is done. And in that last matchup, it was Tweety Carter who smoked the Longhorns as we send it across now to our Holly Hollywood. Holly.
Brutus, because I don't know what they're doing, but let me in there. Let me in there. Brutus. Brutus.
He ate a ton.
Did he eat a bunch
food.
tonight? Dad?
Dad?